Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove your credit or debit card from AliExpress step by step. Whether you are switching to a new card or just want to protect your payment info, this guide will help. First, all you have to do is open any browser. I'm using Brave. Then all you have to do is type AliExpress. Then all you have to do is log in with your account. So once you log in, this is their dashboard that appear. And now all you have to do is click on your account. And from the drop down menu, you have to select payment. Now this will open their payment setting page. Scroll down to the card section. Now you will see any saved account. Under each card, there will be remove or delete button. If no card add, then this section will be empty like shown here. If you do have card add, click on the card, tap the remove or delete option. If the remove option doesn't appear on dashboard, try their AliExpress app instead. Still not working? Make sure you have pending orders linked to that card. Try using a desktop browser or contact AliExpress support for help. Once removed, the card is instantly removed from your payment method. And that's it. You have now removed your card from AliExpress safely. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more online tips. See you in my next video.